guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a easy, simple chase game in Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a events and then you want to go to forever and then just get an if then. And then scroll down to sensing and you want to get a key space pressed, and you want to change that to a right arrow. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go here and do a cat flying. You want to get the cat flying A, and then you want to go here and do flip horizontally. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into looks, and then we're going to do switch costume to cat flying A2. And we're gonna do motion and do a we're gonna take a move 10 steps. And what it's gonna do is we actually took the wrong one. We're gonna take cat flying A. So I'm just gonna drag it right here and we're gonna do okay. So now we're gonna change it to, we're going to duplicate it and get a cat flying A2 and put a minus symbol here, because if we put a minus there, it'll change it. And then we're going to switch this to left arrow. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click the green flag, and we can see it's going left to right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the we're going to duplicate it one more time. We're going to duplicate it 2 times actually, and we're going to do up arrow, and we're going to switch this to down arrow. And we're going to do cat flying B here. And then so we're going to do duplicate, and we're going to get it, and then we're going to flip it down like this. So once we do that, we're going to go to the code, and it's going to switch to cat flying B2. And we're going to, instead of move 10 steps, we're going to be doing a change Y by 10 and do change Y by negative 10. So once we do it here, it'll be going up, down, side, and it can even kind of go in circles. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go into the fish, and we're going to be getting variables. And we're going to be doing make a variable, and that's going to be points. I'm just going to put it all in caps. Point. So I'm just going to put a symbol here. Okay, so we're gonna do okay. And what we're gonna do is we're going to go into when green flag clicked, forever, if touching flying scratchy, flying cat, change points by 1. And once we do that, we're going to do, so once it does that, okay, so that's one code. So now we have to do one more, and that's by going into events, and forever, get a forever when if we're just going to go into forever. We don't need any if. And we're going to go into forever, move 10 steps, and we're going to do if on edge bounce, and we're going to change, and we're going to do point in direction 45 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna take away this and put this and point in direction. Okay, so once we do this, we can see that it's just bouncing around everywhere. So now every time we touch the cat, it will give us points. Every time we touch it, it gives it a point. It gives it lots of points, but that's fine. But that's okay. So so we're done with the code. Now, if you want to share it, you'll just go to the C project page, and you can write the instructions for it, notes and credits. Like I got the scratch cat on the background. I got the background from the background library and the characters from the character library, and the instructions up, down, and stuff. And once you want to share it, we'll just put we'll do the title. We'll do chase game. Chase game. Chase game. So I'm just gonna do everything caps, and then you can just share it with your friend. You can share it, you can push share, and then anybody can play your game, and then they'll have fun and stuff. So I hope you guys liked watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!